Daddy got me here, no? That's it.
Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. This is Shanique, that is mommy, and that is daddy. And today we are in Nathan. I follow back at daddy again, but this time I'm probably buy some stuff. The girl just jumped to her music and it's about keep my mind, but you know. You guys buying this up too? Where blue there? I'm not fine now. He's very tiny. Just take one in the blue. It will grow nice eventually, you know, so. Yeah. Try to be big one, baby one. I don't know if you said that before. I'll show you a lamp them when I say I want in the room. Come look from them. What's the price? 650. Okay. Oh, they're cute. One from two. Yeah. No girl, let me get a new brand. Where you can plug in USB like sit them they need to go back. No, I just want this in boring. $500. Not sure how much you have saving. Jesus. I can't find it, friend. I can't find it. So, the bag. The pink one over there. Look cute. Say hi. So I said say hi. Baby love. We have a thing to tell you in the want to. Guys, please excuse the idiot child I have with me. I'm sorry. Anyway, you love me. I'm hungry.
You
actually.
love me? No. You love me? No. You love me? No. You want me to say yes? You love me?
Yes. eat that there. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I'm gonna take the shot. It's shot. The camera can't see. Alright, so the first thing I bought myself a flat iron because mine stopped work. Yeah, I need to go try it. Yeah, I give it to my daughter. I bought myself a yellow towel. And if I can't really see the yellow, but yeah. At the bottom it says, oh, this Gavin or something, so yeah. I bought some underwears, a whole bag of these stuff, ting. I bought this dress in yellow. So it's like, has this on it, tie-dye kind of thing. And it came with a little cute fanny pack cloth. And then I bought this bodysuit. It's the first I'm buying one, so yeah, excited to wear this. Yeah, hope it fits. I'm gonna buy what is stressing me, shampoo and conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna buy my oil, make sure I'm gonna buy a big one, charger, and I bought charger, and I bought the headphone jack. Focus. There we go. Yeah, so I bought the jack. I don't like this one. I wanted one of the short ones, but hey, whatever. Yeah, that's all. Alright guys, so it has been a long day. Oh yes, by the way, the flat iron did work, and it looks like it works pretty well. So yeah, you guys asked for more vlogs, so I hope this vlog wasn't too bad, wasn't too scattered. I know I didn't talk much, but everybody knows I'm not necessarily the talkative type or something in a public. I'm kind of shy, so I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I am hoping to give you guys more videos, as I said, so yes, that is why I have to make sure, you know, I bring out this vlog. So I just finished, but I just edited most of the video, so I'm ending it here so I can add in this part of it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below when you're done. Share with your friends, share on social media, just share. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.